and welcome to my kitchen. And today we're going to be making some cocktails because it is Rick's birthday. And we're going to make one of Rick's favorite cocktails, and he would like to call it a buttery scotchy scotch or something. What were you calling it?
Butterscotchy scotch.
A buttery scotchy scotch.
Not buttery, butterscotchy.
What?
You said buttery. Butterscotchy.
Oh, butterscotchy scotch.
In honor of Ron Burgundy.
Of course, in honor of Ron Burgundy. And for any of you who've had the Ben & Jerry's butters...
No, Scotchy Scotch.
It is Scotchy Scotch.
Yes.
It's really good ice cream. But anyway, this is super simple. Butterscotch schnapps is very low in alcohol.
It is
but
really good.
It's too easy to drink.
I could drink the whole bottle just sitting there.
It is really low in alcohol, though. It's very delicious. So this is probably as simple as you can get. It's a really nice sipping drink. It's a dessert beverage or whatever you want to call it. We're going to go in with 2 shots of butterscotch schnapps. Because it's your birthday. And don't spill it like I did. And an equal part of heavy cream. So that's 4 ounces of butterscotch schnapps, 4 ounces of heavy cream.
This is also known as a buttermilk, isn't it?
It can also be known as a buttermilk. Give it a good stir over some ice, and you have a delicious sipping beverage. And happy birthday, sweetheart.
Oh, that is so good.
It is really yummy. It is. It's a little bit too easy to drink.
And
but
thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm going to fix...
I won't be sipping it, though.
I get it. It's a little too easy to drink, right? I'm going to be making a butterscotch truffle for you. And that one starts with some butterscotch schnapps. We're going to go in with 2 ounces of that. And we're going to go in with 1 ounce of Irish cream.
I have to pardon the left-handed camera work just now.
And 1 ounce of chocolate liqueur. This is good Godiva liqueur. But if you just have like creme de cacao, that'll work too. And that is my short drink because there's a lot of alcohol there. Well, not as much as what Rick has. And this is called a butterscotch truffle, and it's beautiful and tasty. You smell it? Oh, you want to taste it?
Oh, that's pretty good too.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's delightful. Ladies, you're going to love this one. It's a nice sweet dessert drink. Both of these are. Butterscotch schnapps is super cheap too. This bottle costs like $5. Granted, the Godiva made up for it because that one isn't $5.
Especially if you get the cheap stuff. So.
Well, all schnapps is cheap. Yeah. I haven't seen a bottle of schnapps that's expensive. So, you know, use what you got. You know what? You can add to Rick's if you add, let's see, you can add some Kahlua in there instead of making it a double. You can actually add 1 ounce of Kahlua and 1 ounce of vodka, and you end up with, what do they call that? A buttery Russian, yes. So, you know, there's all kinds of ways you can go with this. You don't need a whole lot of ingredients. If you have a few of these things on your shelf, then enjoy them from time to time. That's what life is all about, enjoying the things that you love, but doing it in moderation. So, here...
I highly recommend the butterscotch schnapps.
It is really incredible.
It is really good.
Give it a try. And so that is what we're doing today for Rick's birthday. These are our birthday cocktails. I hope that you try them. I hope that you love them. And until next time, we'll see ya. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you liked what you watched today, and I hope that you try it, and I hope that you love it. If you like what you saw, please consider hitting the thumbs up button and giving me a positive rating. And also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you're already not a subscriber so that you don't miss out on any of the fun we have here in our kitchen every single day. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest and Instagram and Google Plus and Blogger. I have a blog over there, and you can take a look at that. You can subscribe to that feed as well. And don't forget that every recipe that you see me do here on YouTube, with the exception of a few earlier ones, you can access all of the recipes over on my website, noreenskitchen.com, where you will find printer-friendly versions of those recipes so you can print them out and keep them for your own. So, I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm really glad that you're here. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to come by tomorrow. Until next time, happy eating!